So my friend just crossed 10,000 subscribers on his YouTube channel. And I just wanted to give him an opportunity to share with you the strategies that he used that got him there. Hey guys, I'm Adam, and if you're new here, I'm the subscriber guy on YouTube. And today we're going to be talking about how to grow on YouTube fast in 2021. So when I first started my YouTube channel, one thing that I did right was I started listening to a whole bunch of different YouTube experts. But here's the problem. I didn't always act on what they said. If you want to be successful in life and also grow fast on YouTube, make sure that you listen to the advice of those that have the results that you are after. But then also make sure that you act on what they say. So with that in mind, I'm going to turn things over to a friend of mine who has made over 3,000 videos on YouTube.
Hello everyone, I'm Pratik and I run the channel Cited. So talking about how I get my views and subscribers on YouTube. So in my case, I have already uploaded out certain number of videos, and once you do that on your analytics page, if you were to go then you will see when your viewers are mostly active. In my case, if you were to see my analytics, then you can see that it's around the evening time. So what I do is that I usually post the videos on those particular timings. Not exactly when the viewers are active, but an hour before when the viewers are active. So when the video is out, the viewers are there on my channel and sees the latest videos. So that is one strategy I take, and that has been working out well for me. Not perfect, but has been working out well. And another thing is that I see where most of my current subscribers and current viewers are coming from. So to see where those are coming from, I go on to the advanced analytics option. And then if I were to see my video traffic source, then it's usually YouTube search. In my case, right now, it's YouTube search. It was Google search a few months back. Right now, it's YouTube search. So since they are from YouTube search, I utilize keyword tools such as keywordtool.io, which is a website where you can search for keywords that are mostly used, and then I use those particular keywords according to my traffic source. So in my case, it's YouTube search. So I use YouTube search keywords right here to show what keywords are mostly used, and then I make sure to tag them in my videos so that I get my views from there. In case of subscribers, if I were to see my analytics, then it's not that viewers directly come to my channel and subscribe, but it's rather they come to my videos, and through my videos they subscribe it. So usually I get my subscribers that way. So I make sure that on my video I use cards to have a subscribe card at the end of my video. So people, when they watch the video, they like the video. Most of my subscribers are coming in that way anyway. So once I have my subscribe button on my videos, they will directly click on subscribe. And these are the strategies I've been following. And to get more views, I make sure that I maintain playlist on my of my videos, and then put them on the description, and then also go around and add in cards for recommending other videos so that the viewers keep on staying in my channel. And this what has been working around for me till date, and hope it'll work for you as well.